So the name of our project is Wireless Lift Assist Device, and our company sponsors Total Valve System, which they're based in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And our device overall helps us have better results and more safety, as safety is the #1 concern.
The purpose of this device is to make the pressure relief valve testing easier and safer for the technicians. So this device automatically runs a test cycle and verifies the pressure relief valve set pressure without technician intervention. So it allows the technicians to be further away compared to the manual hand pump arrangement that is typical heretofore.
We're also creating an app that the technicians can use on their phones, tablets, or computers, and they can connect via Bluetooth, just safer and more accurate results overall.
A lot of the problems on my end is I had to learn to deal with implementing the motor. So the motor requires 2 different grounds. So it requires an isolated ground for the motor control circuitry, and it requires a different ground for powering the motor, and trying to overcome that was a big challenge towards the end. So we ended up going with an isolated power supply, and that seemed to have worked just fine, and now we're able to run our automated test cycle.
Me personally, I thought I was not able to complete this project because there's a lot of software side of it, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna take the risk, and it went very successful. So just don't be afraid to pick the project that you think is a little iffy, as you'll learn a lot from this, and it'll be very useful for once you go to the industry.